food is life. It's literally the most basic of needs. So it means the world to anybody that needs a meal and that is able to get one.
Food waste is very big in the US. We waste about 40% of our food here, while we have 1 in every 6 people do not know where their next meal is coming from.
My whole life, I've worked with food and I've worked in restaurants and catering companies, and I've seen so much massive amounts of food go into the trash, and it's always been really difficult for me to see that happen and to be on that end of it.
The idea of donating food is not new, and it's been there for a long time, and there's a lot of great initiatives around the country. What Replate does is it's a matching platform and logistics that help deliver surplus food, leftover food from businesses, to communities in need instantly.
We know that human behavior, people tend not to think about that surplus until it's a problem in front of them. So Replate in particular, we offer on-demand services. That's one thing that really sets us apart from other food rescue organizations. You can go on and schedule a pickup for that same day and really make a difference in someone's life, whereas that surplus food otherwise would have just gone to waste.
We're making the experience very delightful and seamless. Similar to like ordering your Uber or getting your Airbnb, requesting a pickup for your leftover food is as easy as that.
Technology is definitely the key to scaling food rescue. For years, food rescue has been very much a small grassroots effort, and it has been very admirable, but there is no way we can recover the 40% of food that's wasted in the US without technology.
There's kind of a cap set to where we can scale and how easily we can distribute resources to all of our constituents, potentially across the world someday. And so with Amazon, we'll never have to worry about it again.
We've been operating for more than 3 years and a half, and in the process, we've recovered more than 2 million pounds of food. In the coming 4 years, we're projecting to save about 16 million pounds of food.
Having the opportunity to work with AWS is really freeing up a lot of resources for us and allows us to use their tools to have exactly what we need for exactly the right job.
One, it's important for us to have a fast loading time so that people who are requesting pickups can do it as fast as possible. 2 is for storing the data that we have. Each pickup has images associated with it and data as well. So this needs to be hosted somewhere, so that's very useful. And then the 3rd piece is the dispatch.
I mean, this is really, for me personally, one of the most important things that I could be devoting my time to. I've experienced food insecurity myself when I was in college. I struggled, and knowing that I'm able to be on the other side of helping get food to people is just a really rewarding thing. I mean, I'm very grateful to be doing this kind of work.
It feels amazing. I've never been happier really in my life. Just being with an amazing team that we have, and coming every day knowing that we're feeding people not only in San Francisco and Bay Area, but in LA, in San Diego, in Chicago, and New York. And we're continuing expanding to Austin, Texas, and Toronto and Canada, actually. So it's an incredible feeling to feel like from this tiny office right here, we're changing many people's lives around the country and beyond.